Well, I'm back from Reculver. I had a technical difficulty. It's very annoying. It's one of those things you can't find out on site. So I've shot a whole load of B-roll and A-roll with voiceover, as I'm doing now. And unfortunately, this little beastie, this little microphone I've strapped to my lapel, had an external mic plugged into it, and that external mic interfered with the audio recording, and there's an annoying sort of buzzing noise in the background. I can process that out using Camtasia, but not completely, so please bear with me if there's a little bit of an annoying whine in the background.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm here at Reculver on the north coast of Kent, and we're going to go and have a look at the old ruins. The weather's a bit interesting, so we'll see what we make of it. Some nice clouds in the sky, sun's popping through every so often, and I'm hoping to get some nice images here. I've only been here a couple of times before, so I'm not quite sure where to start, but we'll give it a go. Yes, as I said, this is Reculver. As some of the younger ones amongst you probably remember, it's the location that the bouncing bomb was tested, as shown in the film Dam Busters. And although the tide's in at the moment, there is a very, very long stretch of coastline that you could actually bounce a bomb along, or at least water in this case. And it's not that far from London. It's about a 40-minute drive from the M25 up the M2 to here. And yeah, I'm hoping we're going to get some half reasonable images. So let's see how it goes. And I'll try not to slip on these slippery rocks here, climbing up this edge. It was raining earlier. Yeah, I got absolutely soaked walking the dog as well, but I'm hoping this will hold off. It's looking quite good. The sky's quite nice actually. Lots of clouds, fluffy bit of blue sky showing through here and there, and hopefully some decent images. Okay, I hope the wind noise isn't too much. I've got the fluffy cap thing on, so hopefully it's going to be fine. I've got a shot set up here which is using the angle onto the tower. I've got the camera set up here. It's set up f/16. I need a lot of depth of field, so I've got a tombstone just in front of me about 10 feet away. And I'm framing that with the two towers, which are at an angle to the sun, so one side's in shadow and the other side's in light. It's looking quite nice, so I think I'll take two bracketed shots, or two shots that are bracketed effectively, because I want to pull out the shadows, so I'll need to shoot a bright shot to get as much detail in the shadows and a dark shot to get all the detail in the sky. So let's cheat. Let's cheat here and let's use my mobile phone app, because I don't want to kneel down to look at the back of the phone. So, or back of the camera, it's a little low to see, and it's bright light anyway, so I'm using this remote application from Sony to get the shots that I want. And lo and behold, there we are. I can get the shot. I've got the first shot, and the next one is the bright frame. And that's happening now. So, and now we'll take a dark frame. -1 should do it. Let's take that. I keep forgetting I can actually change the settings actually on the phone app, but I can still use the camera controls as well, which is what I've been doing. So yeah, I think that's looking quite nice actually. Yeah, that looks okay. I'll just move around and take a shot from a different angle now. So, well, as you can see, I've got the camera up on the tall tripod now, because I'm trying to get a better angle on the church in the ruins here. Ground level isn't quite doing it. I just want to get a bit more of the sea between the stones and the rocks and the various parts of the castle. Okay, as I've just shown you, the camera's on the tripod and I can virtually not reach it. It's that high up, so I'm always dependent on this little app that I've got, which you probably can't see because it's too bright, but I can just about make it out. It allows me to fully control the camera from here, basically, which is really handy when it works. It's working now. There we go. what I'm trying to do is I want to get a panorama. So I've got the camera vertically orientated. I'm going to take 4 shots with the camera at different positions so that I can actually encompass the sweep of the shot I'm looking for. So let's see if it works. Okay, there's another shot that I'm interested in taking now. Just come inside in between the 2 towers. Well, the sky is directly above me. I spin you around and turn you upside down. This is a sweep pano, and I want to get that with the other camera and stitch it together so there's an overhead panorama. I've done it a couple of times in the past, normally in woodland. It's quite effective. So I'm going to do that here as well. As you'll see, the camera set up very, very low to the ground, and I'm just going to pop you guys down. And again, what's going to happen is I'm going to use my iPhone to take the shots. So I don't know if you can see it there. What I'm going to do is take 3 images with it's the 16 to 35 that's on the camera at the moment, so it's wide angle. And I'm going to basically take 3 shots to actually get the full sweep from the arch behind you there to the arch over here, and as much of that as I can get in and see what the image looks like. So I'll get on with that. So the first one will be angled much more towards this side of the castle. That's quite nice. Yeah, we'll have that one. Do a typical 2-second timer. Next one. Helps if I get my ugly mug out of the picture while I'm doing it. Yep, I'm still in the picture, right. Get that one. And now I've got to come up and pick you guys up and move you out of the way because you'll be in the next shot if we're not careful. So just put you down over there and we'll get the last one. Yep. Yep, that's done it. Let's see how that works. Well, that's all from here. I've got that panoramic shot. I've taken a couple of shots looking this way to the opposite end of the ruin. The sky is quite interesting. It's a nice level of cloud. It's not blue and boring. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up and please also subscribe so that you get notified when I upload new videos.